Right now, your computer is doing hundreds of things at the same time. Your browser is running, background apps are updating, files are being accessed, memory is constantly being managed. But here's the real question. Who is actually controlling all of this? It's not your apps, it's not your hardware directly, it's the operating system. The operating system is like the brain of your computer, silently managing everything behind the scenes. It decides which program gets the CPU, how memory is allocated, how files are stored and retrieved, and how different programs communicate with each other. And yet, most people use computers every day without ever understanding how any of this actually works. That's exactly what this series is going to fix. In this series, we'll build your understanding step by step. First, we'll understand processes, what really happens when you open an app. Then, how programs interact with the OS using something called system calls. We'll explore scheduling, how your system decides what runs and when. After that, we'll go deeper into memory. What is virtual memory, and why does it even exist? How does paging actually work? And what really happens when your system runs out of memory? Then comes one of the most important and most confusing parts, concurrency. Multiple things happening at the same time. Threads, locks, semaphores, and real-world problems like race conditions and deadlocks. And finally, we'll uncover what most people never think about, how files are actually stored, how file systems work, and what's really happening inside your disk. If you want to really understand how your computer works, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos in this series. To really understand all of this, we need to start from the very basics. In the next video, we'll start with the most important question. What exactly is an operating system?